Hello friends, welcome to Learner's Planet. Friends, this is our fourth session for linear inequations. In the previous session, we have discussed problems, very simple problems. We discussed the concept of modulus. And in this session, we are going to solve problems. We'll be taking problems of all patterns. And if you are clear with the concept, you can start solving the problems right with me. Okay, so just get ready with your paper and pen and start solving the problems with me. Now let's start solving the linear inequations. These are very simple ones. 3x minus 7 is greater than x plus 1. Just shift x to the left hand side. 3x minus x and take 7 to right hand side. So it's 1 and it is minus 7. It will go this side and it will be plus 7. Right? So 2x is greater than 8. That means x is greater than 4, or you can say x is between 4 to infinity. Since it is greater than sign only, so you just use the circle bracket. Okay, so pretty simple. See this, there is no expression in the denominator that involves x or variable, so you can go for the cross multiplication. So 6x minus 4 is less than equal to 20x minus 15. That means 20x minus 15 is greater than equal to 6x minus 4, right? Take 6x this side. 14x is greater than equal to minus 4 plus 15. So 14x is greater than equal to 11. That means x is greater than equal to 11 by 14, or you can say x belong to 11 by 14 to infinity. Okay, equal to sign is there, that's why we'll use the square bracket. See this one, 7 into 2x, that is 14x minus 7 into 2, 14 is less than equal to 5 into 3, 15 into 2, 13 plus 15 into x, 15x. Okay, so 14x minus 14 is less than equal to 13 plus 15x. So 15x plus 30 is greater than equal to 14x minus 14. Okay, take for 14x this side. So 15x minus 14x is x is greater than minus 14 minus 30. So x is greater than equal to minus 44, or we can say x belongs to minus 44 to infinity. Right? Now see this, x minus 1 by 3 plus 4 is less than x minus 5 by 5 minus 2. We take LCM and make it very simple. So x minus 1 plus 12 by 3 is less than x minus 5 minus 10 by 5. So it is x plus 11 by 3 is less than x minus 15 by 5. Now again you can go for the cross multiplication. 5x plus 55 less than 3x minus 45. So 3x will take this side. 5x minus 3x is 2x is less than minus 45 minus 55. So 2x is less than minus 100. So x is less than minus 50, or we can say x belongs to minus infinity to minus 50. Okay, pretty simple. Now see this one, 2x minus 3 by 3x minus 7 is greater than 0. So no cross multiplication, nothing can be done. But what you can do is you just draw the zeros of this expression on the number line, right? 2x minus 3 is 0, that means x is equal to 3 by 2. 3x minus 7 is 0, that means x is equal to 7 by 3, right? So 7 by 3 is more than 3 by 2, so that will be on the right hand side. Okay, now what? Just draw the curve. You want the portion, this expression to be greater than 0, so x should be less than 3 by 2 or more than 7 by 3. So x belongs to minus infinity to 3 by 2 union 7 by 3 to infinity. right? Any value between minus infinity to 3 by 2 and any value between 7 by 3 to infinity will make this expression positive. Not that means this expression positive. Okay, so that's very simple. Similarly, we have this 3 upon x minus 2 is greater than 1. So 3 upon x minus 2 minus 1 should be, I'm sorry, this is less than 1, so that's less than 0. Now take LCM. 3 minus 1 into minus x, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into minus 2, 2 upon x minus 2 is less than 0. Okay, so it is minus x plus 5 upon x minus 2 is less than 0. So if I multiply this expression by negative, sign of inequality will be changed. So it is x minus 5 upon x minus 2 is greater than 0, right? Now just put up the numbers on line. What you want? Greater than, that means x should be minus infinity to 2 union 5 to infinity. That means x should be any value less than 2 or greater than 5. Okay, so that's very simple. And you have seen that I haven't gone for cross multiplication because we have an expression in the denominator. Okay, that involves variable. I hope you are getting it. Similarly, we see this x upon x minus 5 greater than 1 by 2. So what I can do is x upon x minus 5 minus 1 by 2 greater than 0. Take LCM. 2x minus x plus 5 by 2x, or we can say 2x minus 5 is greater than 0. Okay, now 2x minus x, that is x plus 5 upon 2x minus 5 is greater than 0. Now if we have a constant value in the denominator, if this entire expression is greater than 0, that means this expression should be greater than 0 because 2 is already positive number, right? So you can eliminate 2 and you can solve it for x plus 5 upon x minus 5 greater than 0. Getting my point? Because 2 is already a positive quantity. So if this quantity is positive, a positive into positive will produce positive quantity. Okay, so you don't have to take this 2 into consideration while solving this expression, right? You can leave that. So x plus 5 upon x minus 5 greater than 0, that's minus 5, that's 5. So x should be minus infinity to minus 5 or 5 to infinity. Okay, any values less than minus 5 or greater than 5 will make this expression greater than 0, or we can say positive. Now friends, let's see how do we solve system of equations. System of equations means you are given 2 or maybe 3 relations sometimes. Okay, and you have to find out the favorable values or favorable range of x that satisfy all the equations, right? Here x plus 3 is greater than 0 and 2x is less than 14, right? So we have to find out the value of x that is true for this and true for this, both of them, right? So we'll take individual expression first of all, and then we'll find out the common solution. So if x plus 3 is greater than 0, x should be greater than minus 3. That means x belongs to minus 3 to infinity, right? Similarly, 2x is less than 14. That means x is less than 7. That means x is minus infinity to 7. Now we want to find out that this is a very long, big range, and this is also a very big range, right? But our x, we have to have an x that satisfies both the relation, right? Here x is between minus 3 to infinity, here x is between minus infinity to 7, right? So what you can do is, whenever you have to find out the common solution, once again you draw a number line, right? Just mark the numbers over here, minus 3, this infinity, that's minus infinity, and this is 7, right? Now draw this range minus 3 to infinity, so that's this range. Okay, I have already explained this thing in our functions topic, but still we are having a recap. So x belongs to minus 3 to infinity. Now similarly you draw this range minus infinity to 7, so that is minus infinity to 7. Okay, now you see this portion from this to this, right? Minus 3 to 7. We see the purple line also, we'll see green line also. So that is the common portion, minus 3 to 7. So if you take x from minus 3 to 7, it will satisfy both the relation, this and this. Okay, or we can say this is the common solution. Okay, so what is the common solution? X belongs to minus 3 to 7. Okay, and this is your final answer. So what is the solution of the system of equation? X should be between minus 3 and 7. Okay, so you solve individual equations, then draw the number line like this and try to find out the common solution. Common range you have to find out. Okay. Now this is 2x plus 6 is greater than equal to 0. So 2x is greater than equal to minus 6, x is greater than equal to minus 3. That means x belongs to minus 3 to infinity. Okay, here 4x minus 7 is less than 0, 4x is less than 7, x is less than 7 by 4. That means x belongs to minus infinity to 7 by 4, right? And now we have to find out the common solution that satisfies both the equations, or inequations we can say. So once again I draw the number line, that's minus 3 to infinity. This is minus 3 and this is infinity, and this is minus infinity, and it is 7 by 4. Right? So first of all we draw minus 3 to infinity, so that is this range. Okay, then let us draw minus infinity to 7 by 4. So it is minus infinity to 7 by 4. We can see this particular portion, minus 3 to 7 by 4, right? Minus 3 to 7 by 4. Okay, that will satisfy this as well as this. Okay, so if x is between minus 3 to 7 by 4, this relation and this relation, both of them will be satisfied. And actually minus 3 is included. It is included, so it is included over here also. Okay, similarly try this. 2x is less than 10, x is less than 5, that means x belongs to minus infinity to 5. 2x is greater than minus 4, x is greater than minus 2, that means x belongs to minus 2 to infinity. Okay, we have to find out the common solution, so draw the number line, that's minus infinity, that's infinity, it's minus 2, it's 5. So first of all minus infinity to 5, so that is this. Then minus 2 to infinity, so that's this. So what is the range that is common is minus 2 to 5. So that's your answer, as simple as that. Okay, you can take any value between minus 2 and 5. You'll see this is satisfied as well as this is satisfied. Okay, now see this. X plus 5 is greater than 2x plus 1 and 2, this is this. Okay, so first of all let's copy this. X plus 5 is greater than 2x plus 2. Let's simplify. 2x minus x is x, and 2 minus 5 is 3, minus 3 is less than 0. Okay, so 2x minus x is x and 2 minus 5 is minus 3 is less than 0. That means x is less than 3. X belongs to minus infinity to 3. Okay, now take this. 2 minus x is less than 3x plus 6. So I take x this side. So 4x and 6 minus 2 plus 4 is greater than 0, that means x plus 1 is greater than 0, that means x is greater than minus 1, that means x belongs to minus 1 to infinity. Right, now we have to find out the common solution. Just draw the number line quickly. That's minus infinity, infinity, minus 1 and 3. Minus infinity to 3, so that is this. Minus 1 to infinity, that is this. So what is the common range? Minus 1 to 3. And that's your answer. Okay. Now let's try this. Here it is 5x minus 7 is less than 3x plus 9. So 2x is less than 16, x is less than 8, x belongs to minus infinity to 8. Okay, here take LCM. 2 minus 3x is greater than equal to 2x minus 8. Okay, initially you take LCM, then you just go for the cross multiplication because there is no variable in the denominator, so it doesn't matter if you cross multiply. Okay, so 2 minus 3x is greater than equal to 2x minus 8. So we take 3x this side, so we'll be getting 5x minus 8 and minus 2, that's minus 10 less than equal to 0. Okay, so x minus 2 less than equal to 0, so x is less than equal to 2. That means x belongs to minus infinity to 2 and 2 is included. Okay, now we have to find out the common solution. So draw the line. It is minus infinity, it is 2, it is 8. Okay, so it is minus infinity to 8 and it is minus infinity to 2. So what is the common solution? Minus infinity to 2. So that is the solution common to this and this. Okay, if you take any value between minus to 2 inclusive of 2, both the relations will be satisfied. Okay. So friends, in the next session we'll be taking more problems, this type of problems, plus we'll be taking the problems in equations based on modulus. Okay, so do revise this session in the previous months and just have a good practice with your reference book or textbook. Okay, bye bye.